Hello, welcome back again. This is going to be another awesome, really quick one for you. This is how to change your URL within Weebly. So we're starting off in our editor, which is where pretty much 99% of you are going to spend the majority of your time. We're going to go up to the settings tab right up here at the top middle. Click on settings. What that's going to do is bring out all of the settings for our whole website. If you've not been into this bit yet, I fully recommend going through it, double checking stuff in there, because it's going to put things automatically in American date and time. If you're blogging, you probably don't need that. And there's just a few other bits that you might want to change. So have an explore, see what happens. So if you want to change your URL, it is literally this first item in settings under general. At the moment, our URL is websitewednesday.weebly.com. Spot on. That's not very cakey, is it? So all you do is you click on change, and now it's going to be this bottom one here, the subdomain. I'm going to change this to "We love a good cake." So there we go. So all I've done is typed in my new URL, click continue, and then you'll see up there that it has completely changed my URL. That's now good. So all I need to do is hit publish, and there you go. That has now published that under that new URL name. A side note, if you have already bought a URL and you have it tied to this website, you cannot change the URL that easily. If you're paying for it, you basically have to have that URL for that time period. There's not really anything else you can do. If you're using the free version of Weebly and you're following our steps to building your business, you can change this at any point. Your URL doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be your business name. Even if it just describes what the website is about. Choose something. Don't let that hold you back from publishing. Get it out there, get selling, start making some money. You can change this stuff at any point. Nothing is permanent. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time for Website Wednesdays.